Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the change space or chspace command. So this will only works in layout tab or the paper space. This will transfer any selected object between the model space and the paper space. So this is the model space and the paper space are in the layout tab. So this is the layout tab and this is the paper space. So this command will transfer any object in the model space to the paper space and can also be done through the paper space then back to the model space. This command is located in the modify panel. So this is the change space. So let's say we want this text to transfer in the layout tab. So we'll go to the layout, and then from here we're going to double click. Okay, so we are now inside the model space. So we are going to type chspace, then enter. Then it says here select object. So let's say we're going to select this text, then enter. Okay. So if we are going to move our inside of our model space, so as you can see, these texts are now in the paper space. If we are going to check on the model space, the texts are now gone. Okay, so the texts are already transferred in the layout tab. So this is how the change space works. Then if we want to bring it back, this text in the model space, we are going to do the same procedure. So we're going to type, or we can also select here in the modify panel the change space command, select, and then it says here select object. We're going to select this text and then enter. So if we are going to the model space, the text now are back. And in the layout tab, if we double click, so as you can see, the text are now back in the model space. Okay, so we are going to do example using this change space command. So let's say we are going to do a title block in the model space and then transfer it in our layout tab. I will choose the metric system. Okay, this one. So here in the metric system, if we are going to check our unit, we are using the millimeters. So my title block are in millimeters. Okay, so for the sake of demonstration, I will now create a title block. So first, I will draw a triangle, then D for dimension, and my dimension are 420 millimeter, okay, by 297. So this title block is A3 in size. Okay, so this is now my title block. And then since this is a polyline, so we first have to explode it. So we are going to use the explode command, and then select the object, enter. Now we can see that our polyline are now separate line segment. So now we can use the offset command. So we are going to make an offset. So first offset command, and then specify the distance. We're going to type 200 millimeters. So from here going to here, and then next offset command, the distance will be 50 millimeters. So this is 2 inches. So from here going up, okay, then we're going to remove the excess by using the trim command. Select object, enter to select all, and then we're going to select this and this one. Next, I will going to offset again, and now the distance is 1 inches, so it will be 25 millimeter. 25 millimeters, enter this downward, and then next I will offset again. This time the distance is 12.5 millimeters from here going downward. Next we are going to create some text. So okay, here, so this will be, let's say, project. Okay, so we'll change our font. Okay, so we'll use the box architect. Okay, so let's say the size of our font, let's say 6. Okay, enter. Okay, okay, next let's say here we'll first change our font style, box architect. Okay, and then here we type the name. Okay, and then we're going to make a copy. Okay, copy, select the object. Okay, so let's say here, and then let's make some adjustment. We'll use the move command, select the object. So we'll change this date. Okay. And then we'll make a copy of these two, bring it down. Okay, so let's say here we're going to type the scale. So these are just example of a title block. Okay. And then next here, let's say this is the sheet number. Okay, so now we have an example of a title block. So we are going to use the chspace command to bring this title block in our layout tab. Okay, but before that, we are going first to set up our layout tab to match our title block or the size of our title block. So let's make some modification. Okay, so from here I will choose my printer. This is just a PDF printer for the purposes of example. And then here we are going to select the size is A3 because our title block is also A3. Okay, select the A3, and then the scale is 1:1. Then here I'm going to use the monochrome. Okay, so okay, and now let's click the layout. Okay, close. So here we are going to delete this, and then later on we are going to talk about the viewports, but for now I will just demonstrate. So next I will type viewport, so viewport, enter, then single. Okay, and we are going to create a window. Okay, so now as you can see, we have our title block. Okay, so let's double click inside. Okay, now we are going to use the change space command. Okay, so let's type chspace, enter, and then it says select the object. So we are going to type all to select all, enter, then enter again. So if we are going to check in our model space, our now title block has already transferred in our layout. So next, for the last step, we are going to delete again our viewport. If we are going to delete this, we can still see our title block. We are going to make a viewport again. Viewport, enter, and then single. Okay, so from here we will create a whole, let's say so from here, so let's say create something here, object. Okay, so let's create a circle, then 2 points from here, and we're going to apply, let's say, a polar array. Okay, so select the object, enter, center. Okay, yes. Okay, so now if we are going to check in our layout, okay, so if we are going to adjust, okay, and then let's say we'll change the text, let's say polar array. Okay, so let's adjust this one. Okay, and then here let's say AutoCAD, and then the scale, let's say 1:1. Okay, and then the date will not anymore. So this is just an example. Then we're going to print it. Okay, so we already set up A3 our size of our paper. Okay, so click the OK button, and then now let's say change this polar or okay array. Okay, then we'll do the same. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so there you go. Let me first, let's zoom out. Okay, and then we're going to rotate. So now we have a title block, then a drawing. So this is how to transfer the title block from the model space to the layout. So later on, we can use our title block in our drawing. So this is how to use the change space command in AutoCAD. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to receive the latest video from this channel. I'll see you on my next video.